so me penny they are famous. Ye ni emrenka so. Na so ahwe ya amanye nti. Akika me mra so asie sini. Oh. Akama yesa mo pen. Akwada hu da chia.
Ya bo.
Sompa na mi ken. Mintam kesia na mi bosi. Memranti bre moment ya futu. Ela mi na binyo. Ranti ani mabawa mutie me. Akama yesa muda. Akama yesa mupen. Suku ye ma ufodi mi kobi. Na sukoda boni semti manyire mi wensu de. Oyi me di kwan so. Maye di kan be di etwe. Ma ponyi na ye jami. Ti mamu fama di suen ni agro. Mamu fama di suen ni agro kra. Anka emrebe ti na sanejia. Anka sanfu so mi. My self company. The canny and fan and me will be all. This cane now, woman, with my holding in a summer. Come on, once I move for an miss some and then what they are binding me to you. My free me, man, my son, park of fire, dear. My self company. You see, soon I mean, I'm sorry, pa. Bringing some money, try me photo and some of my true few. Let me saw the one I miss up. I want no need hobby. As I found out, was your son of one. Come to Fuset, Jainunia. Oh, I can't remember to my son. I can't remember to my son. My self open. The approach no na mi so. Nansu krobi ani agenti. Manyanja pade bia wo fie. Na menyi do mi pani fie so. Approach na funu mi o. Nansu mi ti mi komi chibie. Mama beka obi my so. Hey day, hey day, hey day, hey day, hey day.
Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Ghana de shima na no pay church amu na Sompa Rhapsody breno na asono.
Oche ma sase ma betonye.
Ye baba ye hu odru. Ye baba ye hu odru ne ye hu adwuma. Ye baba hye ye hu nkran. Ye bepenya nsa ne de abobra. Nene asema da paso ne de. Fra wonamfo no wabusuafo nyina na momfo mafidie nto Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Na kachi omo se die nyame yehira no Akosua Goaboaje Akosua Nhira sabre watena se no watena se die na wonim se die betimi am abra boyfriend monyam akwa monyam no benya wa ha die de nyame sompa ebebra wo die bema enuhu akofom wo abra bom ne me de bra wo enuhu bebrebe ne anim guase na bekofom wate ti bonkoso abra bo bekofom Onyame asema kan wo Hosea chapter 4 verse 6 nim dia me man ni nti wo moyira na wonyame say because you have rejected knowledge I have rejected you wase na me say wo mpanim die nti wo apo nim die nti me nso mapo na imagine say nyame bepo office wo se wabon say nyankopon ti me pawo efise wo se wabon enti Sompa 106.5 FM Accra yempese nyame bepo wo yempese abrabo bepo wo eti de Sompa Rhapsody aba se de be ya wo nso de wanam obesisi yie yempese wo be yire fise wo se nimdi ameman ninti wo mo yira eti wan hwa wo be yira wo abrabo wo tiase nso no wawu ye frɛ wo tiase yewuo obi a wo ye tiase yewuo ne se abrabo no wo mu so woni mu he eno na kyesa wo ye tiase yewuo wo te ho batabrabo no kura wo bono wo kura wo ntiase wo ye confused man wo ye confused woman abrabo no wonim se wo nkɔ ata na se wo nkɔ adwoa na se wo tie Sompa Rhapsody dia na se wo behunu nyansa ye de bobra se wo koto problem bi mu wo behunu ne wo beye ne ne ni kwansa wo ye wo behu ba bia se wo fa ani ba bia ni kwansa wo fa you will take your destiny into your own hands etie ne se wo bobra na wo mpese wo beyira dia ene obi a wonim ne bia wo mpese wo beyira no obi a wotimu se ti bonkoso bi koso no Wubehana Jimmy kakra bi woni pana brabo mu no ka che ne se wontie Sompa Rhapsody na nyansa efrefre ya kasa Sompa Rhapsody ya wusi nyansa efrewo nyansa was street ne so nyansa was Sompa 106.5 FM Accra and wo frɛ wa no pɛ se wubetia na onyankopɔn twedi ampo onyankopɔn no obo wiase bo ɔsoro ne asase no wo na wo bo wo no wo say because you have rejected knowledge I have rejected you ɔno ne kan ye wo say enam se wo ponim die ntime nso ma po na onyame po die ne na abrabo no wakam imagine se nyankopɔn timi pu nipa efise wo se nipa no wabon onyankopɔn ono bo wo no wo se wotimi po efise wo nso so waponim die eti se wo mpese nyame be po no obeto atwene dia ene ehihye nimdie hihye sunsum mu nimdie hihye agene mu nimdie hihye atenka mu nimdie hihye se de esini nipa edin kita ho nimdie ye fa ni relational wisdom nesa hihye sika mu nimdie financial wisdom eti enne matena se me de sika mu nimdie na ebre wo ene me de jete me de kobo me de cedi me de dollars me de pounds hu nimdie ebre wo ene me be ma unyansa e wo sikam me ba be kire wo embra e fa sika ho sika ye kan ho asem wo sika ho sika ene jete ye be di jete ho nkomo manyanja pade bia wo fie o ebi se wo twu mu tan sika ye sika ho hia na enye sika fon sika papa etiene ye ba bedi sika ho nkomo aware fo mu nti obi ko sika sam nti aware ye bebregu oh my god na mu nti o efise da bia ye de ka oh my god na da bia ye de ka etiene brabetie sika mu nimde adwuma bebregu enam sika sam nti ne ye ba bedi sika ho nkobo na me guess no watena sentam kra 80 for ofidie ne to Sompa 106.5 FM Accra na no pay me ne mianka sa me nua bema obenda akomba betwetwe nkomo oche ma asase ma metonye me sikanti adwuma bebregu sikanti aware bebregu sikanti Ghana etore bia ne ye atete se kontebe na nka etimi kobobosia na IMF aka cheze munyi ge antumu anya antumu a yemfa sika ne mamo wa bank se mu sese mu si ge no mu mpa na oh baka ka wo sika enko ma Ghana wo sika nka yenko bo obi se lala sulala enke enko bobosia o ebo obi me kan kire ye se LGBTQ tum ansa na mama abosia enkasa bi obi nkasa me be reward man panyin nso me mfa ma no ohia eya nenso asanse wesu na yetie no ye de mbra ene hyehyeye na ye adwuma eti se wo wan hyehyye sade ne no wan fa anya adwuma wo bebre eti na osi Hosea 4:6 osi nimdi amema ninti wo mo yira eti Sompa Rhapsody ne ye be ma usika mu nimde ene nyankopon no akasa because you have rejected knowledge I have rejected you imagine me se sasam ne me hu ye me yem sheme se onyankopon timi pu ni pafi se wo se wabon dia fem me se ai we dia fem Messi ampa mini OJ ya adwene Nyankopon timi ka se mapo efisa wa bonti na me mapo because you have rejected knowledge I have rejected you oniame mani niru ho se bedroom rebi na nyame no a wo bo wo se ne suba ne seso no wo se wato watwene adan a wa bon it is station esese wotiere ye Sompa Rhapsody Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. We came to set the order. It anopa bia ye ma wonimde e was Sompa Rhapsody so. It meant ye radio wunya hye emfiri mu otie radio e be mu abrabo etumpon. Radio wo benye nimde na wo de abobra e Sompa Rhapsody. Na se the medical kan enne me ba be di sika jete ehumra if say sika ho emra batabata ho asa wo pese wunya aware pa aware emra batabata ho wo pese wo bi adwuma na wunya a successful business a emra batabata ho se wo di jana wo di pese jana wo die no etimi tumpon a emra batabata ho se wo fa wo bi adamfo na pese adamfo no wunya mfasodo bi firi mu a emra bi bata ho sanso na sika no a wo pe no nso emra bi bata ho enne ye ba be di sika ho mra hunkomo sa wote taxi mu sa wote trotro mu a wo kwa wo banyina yesika ntio yesika edi enti na nka no pe wo na esa wo kwa adwuma wo ko pesika edi enti na meti radio so mi be pesika me kasa wi ane atua meka edi enti na meti radio even though I am a passion no at the end of the day ne betua meka edi wo yisika fra brabo mu a enye yie edi mu kasa han ena da bia mu kasika asem na mu kasika asem a ye nka ne nya dai wo sori ya wo ton ade enye sika enti na wo ko wasoro no pay wa bosi uti a wo so ye bank manager enye sika enti na wo ko sabre wa hye bayire ya wo ko enye sika enti na wo ko sa side chick business na wo ye ne enye sika enti na wo ye obi kuru na wudi akire enye sika sika enti na wudi obi kunu achi na ka brante papa we panka ape no papa we nka wo mpe no ka wo mpe no ba ye sika enti na wo ye side chick no wo kura house nka wudi obi kunu achi na nso ahia wo it was papa nso kakra wo nsem enti ma me ne ntwempuna na won tua me school fees ma me na won tua me rent ma me eti e ma bebre omo ye side chick business e ye sika ni brentia eti e ba be di sika ho nkomode a na sese wotie Sompa Rhapsody ejuma bebre agu aware bebre asai abrabo bebre atope enam sika nte eti this topic die e ye masse se wotie bie work campaign nyina enye sika ya obi timi kasa anti Akosua ma ye work campaign pa ebre no so yesi wo wura ne de ka ne be ma me no wo de niema bi ewurawura mu asa ye sika sam na nka enye sika sam a e ka be mo obi atoka ma wo se fa ye adwuma 2 years achi na afa wo de ka da ma na nka wa nkoto wa de se nka wo sika wa beto ka na nka bebeje o ka koye work campaign a ye de ba sikeni ho eti wakwaji obi ka wo de mra toto ho ebre suye na sese wo de ka ne ma wo na afa se bi wo di nsamfo kire wo aye sika eti wo se wontie sika da de Mega was a higher Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Pepsodent cavity and a able michido mama made Sompa Rhapsody yaba. Sounds so and a Jaws bread and pastries and so I come home. Now and I said me kind me guess what not see no. On one him say me follow the papa. Me follow no baby a YouTube nyina Facebook nyina me di nachi. Why conferences na nipa ni go no mutie ni nyina make sure say me kwa kotie mi. Why asset why japade kese de mo man ne pa. Because o man ye bra ye bra nyina e ye tibonkoso. E ye nimdi aye nintia. Ene me wo mi ankasa me nua bemma ene afenso Ghana ye de hye oru akwabena obenda ko e wo ha wo ye entrepreneur wo ye engineer wo sanso e ye author watch 11 books makudu bako and watch na onu business no sanso ye businessman no we are very passionate about business. It's about fashion, about retail, about construction engineering, real estate development. Papa, when we woman dear papa, about investment in so we woman dear kasa. Na ni book ba kwa makai financial intelligence makai pain. eti ene ye ba be ma usikasem nimdie and financial freedom and also so my campaign na the main kind ye no reset building yourself through African history and the main kind that me make sure say book ni de menya bi na makenkan and na the to so be money laws financial success principles and also so my campaign tin ene me se me mini wo ba be di sika emra sika na ono the topic no and I mean to me ning you just say the nation next week o Ebi say owura kwabena obinda ko topics ni niema wo interest wo mu no edoso eti no Sompa Rhapsody ya kono se ne waba be kan ho studio ha aye ne be kasa say wo yo bia wo panim die a wo pa radio station television station a wo mo panim die pa bi te sa Sompa wo betai ehu no ebi say ye kan radio station TV stations ahodo a wo chechre sika ho ade any investment a wo di mutinteman pa na sa person who ni YouTube ni Facebook channels no obenda ko simple na eba ebibi man de enti a yato ape a ye ni monyam eno so wo ka ho asem papa na ne wife ho ne wife nso nim de obi a waben no asa ware ye oba a waben enti me from power couples so ade azie on said be a bema be ya me tu bema say wo ware ya men ware liability ware asset ono na yiri ya japade o enti enne many owura kwabena obinda ko na eba betena say wo ye entrepreneur wo ye engineer wo ye author enne jeta sika ho nkomo de eba bedie taxi driver tie bi o tie bi truck driver tie bi free me mama na enemy kuta some money loss no ha financial success principles enne eno ne eba bedi ho nkomo ne kuta me book ne kuta me no samani twa me photo me sinya me se ma pare wo fisa wa pare nim de eti o mi peska wantie na wan hu sika ho mra sika no pesa de obesan ko eti ene money loss no ne eba bedi ho nkomo follow me our live Sompa 106.5 FM Accra your Facebook page and your YouTube page and so your Sompa FM live and na TikTok on so benya me wo Akosua Sompa Accra entiene bra ye bra fra wo mama me fra wo ba no wo ba ba ma no wo se wo pesika no wo ba ba na wo se wo pesika no meko na wo ton sika na wo pe shop na wakwa ko bie na ye sika anti na wo pe eti bra betie sika ho mra na sika ne ba etimi agina waka wo bi ka sa wontimi nto wo de waka wo bi ka 20 years wontimi nto wo de e se sika no wonnim kwan ye fa so manage no the late Dr. Mans Moro wo kan sem bi was say when purpose is not known abuse is inevitable se wonnim kwan ye fa so nya sika ene de ye ne botaye sika ne ba na ayera Ghana ha obie ni obeka cha me se wo peska na Ghana ban kure peska na wo se wo me Akosua Goaboje metie me peska maka cha nya me se wo nhira me with financial blessings ba nya sa me kan na ne Nyankopon atoma na afiri soro de aba wo me hia se mesua sika ho mra enti emfa wo se wadwuma ye keto se ya dantem se ye soro wo hia sika mu nem de eno na no pa ye de ma wo Sompa Rhapsody edi me pese me se brebebre fi se opanyi na ankasa no ankasa oh jam no ankasa wa azani la la sulala na de emwaw na oje ka no azan ene la la sulala no emwaw side chicken no a business na wudi pesika na emwaw obi kuru na wudi akire di pesika na emwaw jai ene e ba be kire kwan be fa so genuine money wo benya sika papa dia wote ne shop anu na wo wiawia no no emwaw wo wia nipa ne sika emwaw etitie ye ba be kire wo sika ho mra na mo timi anya sika de abobra Solomon Kraka said, "Radi me mani hear me pio, mani hear me na me sesra me mobo." Enti betie sika ho mna na danche wan sresre. Waya akokora waya abrewa bi o se anka me hu yanka. Me se wo bia wo betie Sompa Rhapsody me hu yanka de e be free wo vocabs mu. Enka me hu yanka. Ah nanka me nimu a. Enu ho me hu yanka. nanka minimum a sɛ wotie Sompa Rhapsody a ebe free wo kasa mu efi sɛ wobɛhunu ne wo bɛyɛ na wode wanam nso asisi sabe me ko studio bi na me ankasa me nua bɛma kwabena obɛn da ko ɛwɔ ha obani ma me ma wo akwaba ene anopai ai no krapa bisu bi hu wache
ani vieze ni
ajo me for the same few years but me follow pa me follow pa ya me hu say wo gadam krofo na wo kyerɛkyerɛ mu sika mu nimdi am say wow enya se na radio so me te wo nka me nua odi ahenka ba bia wo bia bɛkyia no kelama enti ene no ye bepe nimdi ne ye de abobra na de kan na mame ni kan mo waba so wanyini bato nyini pisa nanso so no ne waya ma wo ho ene ne wafamu challenges wo tofom wo sori ene ba bia waba bedru no very inspiring eboa maburu ne bebremu mu se opanyi ba bia wo fi ne wafa challenges mu wa ye mistakes bebre nso but the end of the day ni mistakes na anya kwa or gather the right knowledge e de bobra enti sa nimdie na nti na ya ton sa afre wo no na mikuta wo book Money Laws Financial Success Principles no ne me pese edi hu nkomo na ye hu sika ye den ena me pesika sika hu mra nso ye den menim se na ye ntimi nwie na nso so ye bobo bi so adaachi bi de be san ba beto so na ye san so akontidi edi kan no Sabi ne unim sabi bia wo bia betwa ba ma be pie Sompa die say Sompa ye oni home because this station no you setting up to give people knowledge. Wow. We say media no ye what 3 branches. Entertainment, information and education. Radio station bia what you focus on. E be focus more on inform nipa but they don't educate them. E be muso entertain nipa but they don't inform them. By they are fan me and saying by education is number 1. Wow. And ye per se because ye who say nipa bebre o mo bre ene o mabra bo ato apeno ene say ye tibonkoso. Nimdie ni ho. Eti ye per se wonye nimdie na ama wo hu ne wo be ye anytime ya whether a relationship whether say a spiritual because a spiritual abuse kura wo say a sikasam ne nyina ye pese edi hu nkomo relational wisdom nya oni nipa ebedi djuma wo hia nipa mu nimdie na watimi ni nipa aye adjuma all those na emotional wisdom ye pese edi ma mental wisdom ye pese edi ma financial wisdom physical wisdom it ye focus more on education and then information and then entertainment enti no enti ameka say how you feel e so wonimdie no e vast e mudo eti matchini nyina
yes wada na go kuma say ekoye money law seminar
mokoye money law seminar okay okay all right na say Kwame Kuro University o alma mater wonim say me so alma mater yes wada
okay all right ntina me buy engame ma o
it's been a match of free kumase
I know some Rashiba
eza o Rashiba oh me das eno me frɛ wo ka kyerɛ me say wonam kwanso ba na mo ye conference bi e wo K University e ye kumase ba minti wo tra
kama me woni minti me planning ina say
o planning ina ora me da ko me da say mdi edi kan ye baba ye na ye baba ye Money Laws nansa na ye baba laws no so no money sika e ye den
this is sika imoja they say also side check business.
Side check.
Never names a side check business. But
any illegal business.
Okoda is scary
Obejampa. And because a nuntia. Na say ultimate say papa we enye skanti anko one ne nko out. But sikanti because obi kunu oye panyini on timi ka say sugar daddy. Ena ye wo mrante ni bi wo kro omo so yesa omo so yesa business ni bi o e be ma wo ono so ne panifo
side man
o e side omo friend the side cock ono so side cock business o ya brante wa wasi so but one e man panifo almost ka one man panifo almost ka na eda no mama ni ska it ono so ne business o ye ne say one man panifo a o manyini eda na or just got the free woman change or no your side cock business and now almost your side chick business no or no dear ma worry na bibi wo mu nsam no na onso no wada na onso wahwe no wa ma ne dan ha nti omo so business no no e ba esika ya esika no aro no esika no a
mani pa hu ye sika mani pa ye
akono sika ma nipa hu ye hwam ena sika e ma nipa hu ye akono ena sika ma e wo hu so asema hu sisi hu so sika ni hu asesi ana abu ofu
and ye sisi ayem fro it is sika go over there say oni mo yam
sika ka hu
sika wodimbra and no credit swampa
ebeye na say de wo kan say sika eye but sika wo befa emra papa so abrabo papa so enya eno na hienye sika obi a wo be wi ade anase wo be sisi obi eno sika na nya no na ye kai we ye beka genuine
that's right
ekwan papa suehunu ade enya ene adwumaden ene ntotoye ene mra eno na ye beka ho asem okay eti ye kan mani laws a ye pa chere say
nyame obo wi asem mra da ho ani ene ntina sebe hu obema unse we obema de ntia the body system no structure no normal be ho a it me expected from sanipa
okay
and sebe minti say obema for your funu minyanti bio na musume nkuro odi fa bo fra na wa no ma no for minyan hu bi this is do ho dia that is what the mrato ho say we bema normal way na wo say hu ho
all right
won say wo so ya no pa awia say zu amu na awia dey eba
all right
yo nanson musume no kra na ngwa say duasa I finished so crown by 365 days. I would say there are laws. Bibia who be and I say everything that you see, Mrana didn't buy, and at the same time as Mrano, and I said, I didn't. And he said, "Only Mrano Bibia," and I said, "Bibia wouldn't home run with me."
Okay, and then what can I say? Assassin way so no, Mrana Yamidi Bibia, and he said, "Wouldn't Bibi home ra." Emma hu de obeye ena wo kese me hu be ma wonyem da e be se emra ma hu kwan se be ma be nyem
that's right
it is anso na sika nso e wo ne mra ene ne nhihye ai se wu hu na ma wotimi ehu e kwan be fa so a wo de be di djuma
na so wo hu ne ntema
wo hu ne ntema okay
o tara na wai ane na fe wo da ko sunsun
okay
so say ya ha no enti no studio ha
na se de o ka se wo hu sika hu mra wo wan se wo de akwa ko hye sunsun se sunsun bi na e ha wo na so se mra na wonni mu ntia e na ama na basa okay
enti se studio ha me sure say engineers o mo ye no o mra o mo de ye dey
o mo de ye
o mo nice studio sound o mo ye machines bibi amra da
bibi amra da
so bu mra no so a o bo se na bibi atochima
okay
so o bo se na bibi ye dey even maybe signal of microphone enya so mrana was the two radio no
ya mfa to ho
ntiti ankasa de ye kire wo mra
okay
ntiti bia wo kope obibia mu no ye mrana wo ho no ne ye kire wo
okay
si ayi sisi hye no na si esiti ede nam
all right
nti so ye doctor ye carpenter ye mason ye mechanic
ni nyina wo ho hye ya
journalist awo ye mra wo
emra wo ho
si am ya menye journalist ne ba o se mi twagum sa because my nsia teme
yes
enti de ya checheni ya chene mra obibia mu no se mu odin se mu nyeden wo de ne gina ho kwa aka so wonya because o want asenti
yeah
obey
o want asenti
that's right
obetimi aye because o nimdie was ade no okay
enti sika sam no se ntoya na che se biza won se mum mra no dodo sei
ene wo buso
ena mabuso
ana wonnim
kura na wonnim say usually one na kire wo sika mo mra many people don't even know say sika na kaza kura no mra ide
e wo ho
you hear so akọ school no yeso konya first class or pay good course or colleagues say you also pay good course yeah we be for na
yeah
maybe tibit my obenya good course, good first, good class, 1 year juma. But still, after 30 years, 20 years,
still na brabo no enkoyi. Yeah.
So brabo no normal me no na oni omudi akon. Sika gina ba akon. Na fa akon.
Yeah.
Na o mo maka gina so gina ba be fufuro.
Na se sika gina brabo ne enema mienu na wa sika.
Ah, ene di aka.
Ene di aka. Okay.
Utimi so wuska de na.
De aka ni na betimi aso.
Right, timi yemre pa.
Okay.
Ejo say oba bi ni kunu ntoka gidi ko ma ide.
Eska obe he obi si wo ja ware eska mi kunu ho akere no na dwuma abono me ko me yire ntimi mo me osikam
eska oba kokole gusisi e obi nice and wiem den they will soon because a draw was here to intimi to so obi try adwuma na nye but sika no nti ana adwuma no tam bia we dey ode gu so a wo ye adwuma no because sika no asabe wo mra nyina no se wo mra wo de bobra no ana se wo mra edi woni no mra no what is key is that wo trade wo mra no na wo de akopeska and this will be do mra so a sebe bra no na dey unkwa na so abra bono na dey wafa so enti
okay me ba to ma meet you
yeah
okay
enti so ututu sika semi ya na timinya fa honi
all right
o de ase so ya tuma kasa djuma we menko na djuma we mere meko fi ha mentra ana metra me my school yi kura no o mo tete me me yo mafiro betuma yo mafiro na dey a me esika o ka say ha professor ya mo cheche mra mai ya go bisa muska
senka
ya tumi je mra ma okay the sabe the odeka no one dia odisika na ba no susuere ewom so o tumi fo otimi wa no rock car
yes I for betty yeah because so be pen hobosia e tu be pen hobosia on na be kire ode woye wo say na me kasa work and pay grass me say wo kwa kwaji obi car na o ka kire say 2 years and answer 3 years and answer car no me turn bia 10,000 ba me dey ma 30,000 e here unto be this because ka wo ska ka wa be kwa yes
boys here was a Uber drivers or this one we get but still we work and pay
yeah
anti I said so obi church na me fa so toto
usika semu a waboa
wa brabo no ankasa na wo kire wo
yeah it's true
sabe many times go wo jonkwa
yeah it's true
because the church ye she uncle for we say sikari ya sabio
oh
because na ban seven no the much askele
so it won't to make us sikari menye sika pen ho ba masai ho
no pa buza brand here so first 10,000
unyaye
dey na dey o first 100,000 unyaye
udie na udie
we want first 10,000 ko to fun ba ko so de ko ware ba ko grade ono ko ware ko je bosia 2 years away ni jadam
tu bu se ni pa se u bu so bi kwasa o first salary
yeah
wo ye adwuma sika odi ka wo de ye den
e che mra woni mo sika enti se wo de ye party no problem
okay
ba enti na wo ni bi no
what is kana your party dey
ba ko so de akoma connection mai
o mo na won tukwa
we do America be o ba so go do America 30 years ni and I was a calendar 10 years what do you see oh for nim sika hunyansa
yeah
we to coin but we nim sika
hunyansa
so nim sika hunyansa be bia wo bia be di
obe kabiem
yes we
sika hunyansa be bia wo bia
dance ya be bia do ko bia be dey
obetimi asidan
that's right we nim drive ya o de
ko bia
ka credit now and enquire is because we need entity
nese enquire nese wonni sika mu nimde because wonni sika mu nimde ne sika hunyansa ba bia do be ko bia benya sika
o be show dey
because wonni hu mra e na wonni hu nimde nso
ba ko se Ghana eden the eden pa o sika hu nimde ya woni go the same Ghana go for obia
because
we have tax that ka won hwempo
because kwabena mi busa se o ka se obitimi ka se Ghana eden but Lebanese for yiba
that's right
India for yiba America for yiba UK for yiba etidi na ye na yetia na da bia si o man sikadim ba
onim
bibi a wonnim Lebanese ni nim bibi a wonnim India for no omo aba ni nim bibi a wonnim
we say mi franca sa wadwen mo eni wani
ye ka so bia ni efra enye wani wadwene se wadwene etimi
o ni fra bia wo kira dia wa fa grofo juma
ampa
ba go so ni ate o huhwe eni wadwen mo tia abrabo ye easy
I like that say wadwene mo tia abrabo ye easy
freedom is in knowledge
enu ntina ye de Sompa Rhapsody aba no say ye person krofo wadwene mo ti na wadwene mo tia e ma life ye simple because me tina se dwene ye hu say wotimi hia wo bi na wotimi say ne problem na wo fa mu no enko nyanimdie bi ankenye difficult obi aye depressed na wo busan say na dentina wo ra awrehudie bi atawo so na wo busan ho asama wo kan say ko wonimdie anka wei ente say ye easy kra wo be hu obi na ne life nyina paska wo busan say adentia because say we bus enka nipa we nko wonimdie a enka we enye problem entie wo se nipa bebre na ho kire wo didwa otonade but oniska na wo busan say da bi eye sika wonimdie a wonintia every senka da bia original street so a woton ade ko wo sika wonim dia next time nka wo hu no wo container but only sika wonim die nti 10 years time wo mra no oda so street no eda so ton
na we sem na ye ko e ba ko say oton sobolo
osoton sobolo
en kakra na wo pay box bi no ti na nimba na ho so no nya 15,000 15,000 no dey akwaje store no dey normal go
yeah
sebe so bi kitwa bi a wo ye bi a otunya 1 cedi 2 cedi so wo sika ho nim bia ye ma wa fe mfie mienu
wa brabo be sesan ba so ni sika wonim dia be san be to ba bia wo no
a cedi no mu da wo bi a wo se 1 cedi e wo dey 1,000 wo se na katua ni 1,000 am pa but obi dey 1 cedi obobo no anya 15,000 wo dey akwaje store the normal gum amamba ko wo so ye auditor na otie nsema ye kan ya no o say even though auditor na we say o basically o finance ho na makaka
yes
o say normal scan bibiro ho wa say no to start say o twetwa bibiro ani ba no so no see sika kakra
yeah
wo dey akoje is it pragia or so moto ibi
e ha ba akoje pragia ibi
to start say o hiska no so ye and then me no ka say o ba ko 15
wow
the pay grant ni actually the same person what was the difference the knowledge and your financial knowledge ya this is science kasem
ye wo sika wonim dia ye timi this is science kasem
so wa yo sika kasem wow sika kasem this is science woni
na se o be da ko de wo kan se so long as a wo ye adwuma na die so long as a wo ye adwuma
yeah
na say ye 1 cedi na ba wonsem
yeah
say ye 2 cedis na ba wonsem say emfa wo say wo ye truck driver taxi driver wo ton ade wo adwum wo ye aban adwuma ye tua wo ka say wo ye adwuma ne nko an emfa wo ne de ba wonsem no say wo sika wonim dia e bedroom rebi no wo bentimi adru level bi a wo bede wo ho
kromo ya kromo moska anya professionals na ifro no
obo moska anya wo mo gugu office no
100 anya mo we need 100 mo kutesi committee mo 100,000 200,000 1 million traders farmers
ejodifo ekuyafo
those who are working constantly
omo the BS kabo omo nsem no
accountant doctor lawyer
omo no musika omo de ni show
omo car ba kono agi loan dey sit down in 2 bedroom omo no sigaro woni ndie no form ho
yeah
but because wa ko school na ade ye ne fenti no
yeah
or polished ntimi ma me na wo dwemu na wo
to ade no
sika da bia
yeah no wo
sabe because won fa sika ne nyina anya no hunti wa hwe wo hu na adwen so oniwe
esu no sika pa
but wo betu ba so 20,000 won fa ne sakran
kan yeah
ba ko no we tua car the next day na
scan
so there's a big difference and one of the part say sika ho mra no unim say de wo ye no begi atum say we meeting the di so nya ahotoso wo
yeah
say juma me ye mason na me ye mechanic na me ye no e juma ni party sika brement meeting the di o so usom
adwene a wo si esese obi anya wo ne tirim say me ye mate ni say me ye driver say me ton ade
yeah
say me ye madwene say ade na me ye so long as this kind of brement de betimi ama bedi
that's it
say me ye mason ni me ye carpenter ni
yeah
me ye obi a me pamade so long as this cabre me ne de betimi ye di yi na mmom no wo de shawadwim so na mason de ye adwuma bai carpenter de ye adwuma bai ete ye wo say carpenter adwuma ne de ntimi ma wonye ye mason adwuma na truck driver de e de taxi driver de uber driver de wo was adwene ne de a na mmom wo adwene bi wo timi say we betimi ama me di yi me ko na me ton no e betimi ama me di yi banche na me ton no betimi ama di yi bread na me de nam street mu no e betimi ama me di yi wonya sa first mindset no a eno ano no
gitum said de me ye betimi de di
odofo tie ni yi gitum said de wo ye wo betimi de di yi
me mu na bonfia o te ase obu a timi so ton e friends o chiba ye o kwan ho every day bia o timi ho be ya 500 can you imagine say obi a ho 500 cities every day wo no wo so o timi fanye ye it's not possible so it's not possible say hu sika na wo to sika sem no ye na wo timi fanye ye so long as there's value for what you're creating there's value for what you have what you're selling waiting the day value no kire say di part di sika be hwe obu o ha woton your friend say yokogare
obi oton ga ye egobe
o ma ye kwada boys ni gina ho
oton gobe yeah o ma na boys ni kure chen obi ton wache
that's right value ye di sika hwe wo so ntimi fanye ye obi ton gare nkrofo hwe sa obi shito what you say obi o store no obi said nipa hia atambia bon se ne asalai
yeah
and say adwuma no ye didi Oya plumber. So for frɛ Tembia, wo say untimi fanye. Na dia ya dey say wo say wa nko school nti na wo yes adwuma no.
Yeah, ampa.
That's a major thing.
Wo say me man ko school nti na me plumber.
Eti
eye ne say plumber na nya adwuma. Na mmom ya ahokire bi na amana kwhyɛ ho. Eti onyi ni say plumbing na wo ye ne betimi amana di.
Ba ko no ko school so packet ya. So
now udi bo wura kwabena meba wura kwabena da ko meba ye beba laws no so one odi ka my first law de edikan but de me pese me busa no say wo ye engineering e wo school wo call KN University no e engineering na wo koye eti e ba ne sen na say wo ne nam a financial wisdom sikamu nim de because me nim say engineering de sa bre say kan ne nam e bia to anase bia one nam baby odi na na chemical engineering na
agric engineer first degree and a bioprocess MSc
anti agric engineering ke se nka wonam muram anka wo su tututu ayi emie wo se yemfa duaba we eti eye den na fa de financial wisdom financial knowledge sikamu fa hodie sikamu nimdie hia wo ama wadi akira wo bu ankrofo ni titiri wo mu digwa e wo fom na e ba ne say
school no okwa general knowledge ne de ma when I also decided the episode of Abraboy.
Nessa woko degree nimpono. A general knowledge.
General knowledge. When I also be translated, I say, okay, me koye social science, me koye way, but Abrabo when I'm pesa me day. Mebo. And me say the difference is in the one kasa usunya after school is not in the 4 years that they taught you in school. So, and I think people are multi-talented. Yeah.
Nessa nipa bi abehunu bi o wadoma chede bebre.
Okay. And the young kasa the vice engineering me use Yes, produce normal baby. As a matter of fact, they make engineering. Why? Because these are systems.
Okay.
If you don't have system, you have 14 books.
Okay.
All right. There's no way I will wait to me. Because I don't know when you need the basic tools.
Okay.
So maybe who education is a basic tools.
Okay.
Now they bet they also yeah.
Nessa wo call e bia wo university now ko genuine knowledge no.
Yeah.
And as I say specific knowledge kwa say bia wo ko medicine and as whatever. Maybe economics e university. E wo KN University. Enti na wo so engineering, agriculture engineering. Wo konya sa knowledge no a. Knowledge ni genuine knowledge no na wo begina so na wo after school no wo say no. Ahana me fa as abie wani and abie wagirim am wani ate am won said the system said the wo kan ye did ba wo na wo be kire say mame fanye we anasa me fanye we nti eno nche said the wo koye no eno aho adwuma na sesa wo ye
o se abi pefa ho die
o pefa ho die
school no tete o se ko pa adwuma ye
okay
me so de mpesa me ye no na me ntimi nya adwuma
okay
so me mame ho tete afoforo na ho na fa ho die no
nti wo ma wo ho tete na se wo penim die
sa
enti financial knowledge no one now pay sika mu nimde no one happen so okay
and he said business e chechire no we na kosuan ye
one na kosuan ye
but school no chira se bia akoya agricultural engineering to bia we adwuma on Nestle
okay
your food processing your waste management your agric machines
okay
no man be agric engineering
okay
be mukura construction site
okay.
or mining site and it depends on the part and industry will become
okay
you can get professional training there but mainly I don't know yeah strictly technical skills needed to help entrepreneurship entrepreneurship the ultimate tibom
yeah
and fine and then
that should be measured than what didn't come off for entrepreneurship yeah how I started we first business at the city but the answer topic and so for now yemra money loss no emra edikan minim said you kan ne emra edikan emra edikan e wo sika ho ana obi a opese wo nya sika ana se sika ba wo nsem a de wo pese wo de ye a be ma e ho be ba mfaso because the minim ni say omo say say usua how to get money how to multiply the money and I say how to maintain it like how to manage it and how to multiply it say wo kwan e fa so nya sika say de wo kan e kwan papa so and the sika no so ba say wo kwan e fa so toto sika no and at the atosom yen say so kwan yesika no betimi anya ne bebre eti ehun nimde ne na yehia pa na boy emra edikan say me pese me nya sika ba me nsem a etimi gina meye ne demra edikan ne ye de
okay betima chembe me so sanan ba ko ye adwen ni mu de
sika wo fa adwen ho
adwen si o si ho your mindset as an individual as a person one who say one say young crofo no bebre ho a say ye before you cry there na say before you free be African consciousness nipa di do no ani bi
na se o pa che se abibifo ye wa agene bi
yeah
abibifo agene be na we yitiri
won say sadly broni ba ha no eno man be brother ne sakan enti ma yanhu ye hu say ye nipa fully I mean it's true
then be patcho gina ho opanyi kwabena wo benda ko gina ho ye disika ho nkomo ba o sika ho nkomo na hyase efri agene mu
yeah
na ye emra miensa bi wo pese hu na ye bibifo no abrofo no bedi ye so no a wo mo koye no wo mo de wo nsa kan ne ma bi
wo mo de nsa kan no ma bre
ba ko ye yagene
yeah
enti obi o ye bibini bi ehu ne ho se woni broni nyepe na se broni sombo sen no ono o ye bibini anaso ono o ye Ghana ni no wo che se ofom
wo na ma wo ba na ya upie ya broni di onim nyansa o bibini di eso jimi ye krofo di omo ya krofo ye politician na ehuna ma ne mebo a ba ya ba ko apon ho sa o ka hia won tiase Mr. Bako onim din twere sine ba de brofudim
brofo kese
ko fa Korea din Russia din Russia ni so to wa hu kra so nipa enti yedie no ankasa no ejina si nipa ne si hu no. And I'm saying that the African identity, the consciousness is key. And nuntina
Mr. Pastor the wo kan no too deep za me pese obe move to the next one no. Agini aye agini ya bi before Ghana for wa agini bi efa ye ho.
Yeah.
Agini no wo agini bi say ye hu say ye dim ye wo low self-esteem.
That's right. Yeah.
Ye hunni etu otim ka abrofo de omunim nyanso na bi before de omagimi na mo he politicians yi omo ya akromfo nko a ye politicians e jimi omagimi eti ye bibifo no ye wajibi o etim sese bi ye jimi na abrofo nim nyansa sen ye
bia no bia won se ye ka wo de o taxi mu trotrom bibia ho ne beja no ho ebroni na be kire so ono nipa ne nyina on di suro na ye aka nyina ye wo fom
se bi obi se se mu de mawie
enti so emfa school awako. So once you answer, then I'll be my professor, I'll be my politician, president, bank manager, bank owner, business owner. But who you know how they be me who? So I didn't want to me and so I know a casa or can fire.
Casa or casa fa one and one mine.
Yeah, what I was oh young crowford, a cotton young crowford, Unsi. Would do to form. Okay, or no one casa crano would dear Nimuna would dear Wuno, was in a man yabone. But once a warmer. The influential crowd kusum. Who
can say to me kasi na nanom sabio and anu omagimi omo ba na ya brofo de one ade ahwehwe omo de so omo de gin ensa alcohol beto wa no omo so tam diamond de ma omo
your history
your
sense of history is your strength, is a foundation, and to say you are weak as a person. No be bet ma found no easily until doctor wa ha was one page so ko yes wa abrochire mebo no
yeah
but so no ho odin a emfa ho friends in cemetery because we call 7-year school, that sense of dignity will be there. Some 7-year school.
Yeah.
Now me timi kromia and fan wa kura.
Na me medical doctor na some nurse.
So would this value? What the better? So be my pound.
Yeah.
Or be my dollar.
Ka ka some munya me na me ko UK.
Material things beyond you.
Wow.
As a person, your humanity.
I say wo bema ayi honemu niema asombo asen asen wankasa. Na say ayi your brother common na we dina no odin enti ebema wo no wo bu ho abofia enti ade a wo bu pa no eye honam niema enti na obitimi kotwa ne maame ti so odi peska enti na obitimi edi ewu se de be obenya ska enti na recently e kan news bi ha obi kotwa ne beti ade odi kopeska obusika se wono na oye nipa no na se yen no ye view ya gene fa ye ho no asai apro
and a sense of history na and it's when you proper sense of history and na make us yen chere school no because this I think e ko school say be brody be di ha de but other na was be ko university no brofo nkwa na was ye de chere made and this ye de brofo nkwa na e chere wade a me so me ma me wo mi wan fa brofo na cha ase o de kasa bi na twa be furuma and this nka pese wo chere made ma madwe mote a kasa da be di kante ye no ene mantemo amete mfato ho ho siesie ye no ma no eno na wo se nka wode ntete ne mamea kosi sebe school e wona nim but me no nyira nim se bibine no Ghana in particular uko school na ukasa da titu fie no se ye nkran kasa se ye igbe kasa se ye dagomba ni nyina ye se ho hia o je se ko kire obrofo ansa na wakotwere nsowe So you have two battles.
Yeah.
After that, be sure brofo na kote ase e ko kan say Britain broni.
Yeah.
And sana we be twene so yate ase. Wa dwen as easy. Into we are the obeka say ye pe na obetima ye. The one ka say ye no na wo twen. Boss akura na wa ko school pa na wo we brofo we the ade to a wontimi nye den. Wontimi nye because ye bie na dwen mu e mantem wo na wo key no. Culture bia wo key e bie. And the language is the key in that culture.
Na say culture bi na say kasa no ye kasa na kutai. Ba ye kasa na kura ye mu. Ye bua brofo ne de no.
Mo we brofo no mo ni tekuno. The more we brofo no the more na hu ba bia sika no wo no wo ba bia nipa ne te. Ba bia sika no wo no wo fom ho. Ba bia nipa te no. Ba bia be ko bia nipa ho bia sika ho.
Baby abekwa nipa obi esika ho.
Baby nipa dodo no aso te no hu because we brofo. We brofo. Was a trot mate no sika sine wa also ko invest. What you say? Matias we brofo to bibia fe bibia ankofo ye bia no nko akoye a onyenwe na nipa ntimi fa sika meto. You don't even understand them. One tip you
say anade omo pe.
That's right. Into ye bia wadwe mu na say wo je ho atum say hanam firi. Ye kasa ni say ye normal. Obi de nchen, obi de esronko but nchen.
Wow.
Into so sa normal mu a and son what me di
and son what me di
yes who so ye here nia obedo ayodefo
debi
ntimi yodefo
because so eye dey ye hiafo abrabo di ebeja bi won we kasa no abrabo di ebeja bi
that's right
and ye dey hia ye dey ye wo mo ese so munye sika ye nese wo pon wo bofia da eti you are out of the way we free mu kra
and the BT game no that consciousness
wow
that self belief
enti wo hyase enti obeda ko wa wo te ha yi wo sesan wadwene
sa
ehunhu yie eti hunhu se bibie ne ho a wontimi nya
bibie no a wontimi nya bibie ni so
uye bibini ena wankasa wo self value wo pu se wo ye nipa
megitum
wo gitum se bibie ne ho a
many abrofo te classroom mi ho mu so ban
yeah
omo nwa adwen papa bi amfa ye ho mi no omo nya hostel omo nwa adwen papa bi amfa ye ho wo te ase broni ntete ade ama no fa ye ho no se bi wo hu ye se ye nka nipa ho mpo
wow
I'm telling you the system that they have built from China to America to Europe.
And so who say I say before the mudi as ye wonka ho kra ya say ye use mu keke but
me correct say ade
no me nyinto
me nyama adwen say ba be sua de broni so si twen ansa na nipa
wow
enti say sa no ti me ba me kroma bebo bra me mfa ho
enti na say wan ma ho kwan ma o man define no
there be
ba wo define no say me ye bibini ba me sombo
that's right
me ye bibini me ye adwuma be ye me ye bibini me de me sab somo me nya sika me ye bibini enti metimi ai me nim me ho
enti wo si Africa here me see there be
okay so mo kan say before
here no e
na wo dey
say no go want me to die Abraham man boss here want me to talk Abraham man boss here want me to talk Abraham man boss here ono no zo sika sere
bo bra ye wo
me ka me ba boss here bia na so
ye timi tiska timi ko toka
me fear me team boss here bia na so ono no aya man boss here no so sika sere
ono so sika sere
one changes our formula do ono to broni constantly we say broni angasa no shada nya adwuma wo de nkoa particularly Europeans and Americans wo mo shada nya adwuma wo de nkoa na build ye enti de wo team fifre di akekere ye de wonim
wow
what do I say enti na tam bia no build a system and nko for na dan no
yeah
it was almost billionaire ade nyina a system or create
a system or create but omo fom no na ye adwuma no it was a wo sha immigrant omo kopio e South America fo yi a omo kokko ho no Mexicans ni omo ini enkro ni e ni e free Africa ko yi ye ne ye nkuntunwuma no
no na president America utim so sua atiase
ye ne ye nkuntunwuma no wo promo yeah immigrant fo no na e wuru nkukuom e ye ne
millions be ye adwuma man for free over 300 years. Say Ghana cried the whole year. You can't say Obi or Yajuma be an Yantiarica. The first getting Ghana. Do you know how much Ghana will have? Nani pa Yajuma over 300 years free.
Amamo.
Value Benaunya. And you also a year. It's because of that. That's the foundation. What I say?
Matias.
So no Chelsea is the year. So you see the system I'm finding.
And for yes, okay.
Or say hear me, but minim say no correct.
Okay.
Propaganda.
Okay.
Come na to tree.
Say him. Ba wo no. Okay, to won fa no ne system ni. Wo be he wo system no. Na wo de aye adwuma. It wo de wo say abibima ehia ye.
No.
And na wo say Ghana ehia ye. Wo de wo nim say de wo pese sika wo krom ha. It wo pe sika wo benya.
Sa adwe ne kutamye. Nti sa ojitum se Ghana ye hiafo a nyame no nante but
that's a ojitum se Ghana ye hiafo a onyame no nante ba wo de wadwini mu no Ghana ye nya hiafo man
no man ya hia o mu a mining companies ni ade nyina adenko hia krom godo ho
dabi
ye nidi se hia obi a community no de ato yen nimdie na ye ni no
nimdie na ye ni no
Into what Tiana so Sikasamo Nya. And your Ghana here.
And you Ghana, ya wo
Be been a winning.
Be been a winning.
Somebody said something. Knowledge makes a man unfit to be a slave.
Yeah, so be one him dear one man who come be in Fanaqua.
Right.
Because when him dear
and to hear bit my for aqua.
Oh, here bet me for aqua.
So him dear. And to was a way school at 5 years. Ukuro me your dog bro, how was we a graduate?
It's one yet.
For crata no koto be no kodo.
Nekodo. And now me cry, Oma me dija. Oma me ton watching. Oma me eton dokono.
Prekese.
Ton prekese. But walk on school about. For we nim dear when you never ton prekese. Faber ton bancheno. A bema no crab mu because we nim dear onim. Now the abe come on the scale no. What me call fabanchi free crassi bedru. Ebe tonyam for what me their school no.
Yes.
What their whole school you. Now who now to me ebe pick up. But I was on Tom Bancheno.
Yeah, because ni dia ni ho.
Nim dia ni ho.
Yeah. And our co school is yanchiro ko chemistry. Yanchiro finance.
Yeah.
No, yanchiro.
I am pass one shut down co school say we koye financial management. And I say be we co school ko penim die e wo kwan ye fa so etutu sika.
No kwa ko ye adwuma mo bi.
Ye de koye adwuma mo bi.
Ye fa create ye die.
Yeah.
Accountant wo ye ntua ne ka odidi. O ye accountant. O ye financial expert. And so you pay.
O ye financial expert you pay. Ono want me fan him die no some financial expert no ko creative ono want me fan pesca
because no no yenchire school
yenchire school this a wow pay
die no field no
this a wow person him
that's right
eti agene die di kan no say wo pese wo sikasem koyie say wo pese adwuma bi a wo ye no sika afiri mu ba ne begina die di kan ne say wo di hye wo tirim say wonso adwuma na wo ye ne sika betimi sika na eba no ebetimi aboa mo wadi yi ene hu say wo betimi aye wo sombo wo hia say wo betu kwan say ma men gada $10,000 $20,000 na wo dia ma connection wo dia ma connection man say wo dia ma connection man so wo ma visa never go Canada and afa go UK because wo nim say $10,000 so the company dey Ghana but who nim dey
that's right
$20,000 ka dey obetim dey wo Ghana but who nim dey eti nim dey Bible aka say me man ninti wo mo yira hi power eti agene na sese sesa no ya sesa agene na ehu ye dia ene esika no ye betimi ye
na ye die no so business im
ye die no business im
investment im
dey business ni investment so ye be na dan
you can
my
business is
business na you buying and selling. I say you ton
ko dokube wo ye mponche wo be a mobile money shop wo high wheelbarrow wo be a telephone friends radio station wo fa nipa mo ma ye adwuma ma wo
enum na
wo hu sika every time bia no enum na ye die wo
enum na ye die wo
akatua na so no de en kan ye die no ho
okay repeat what be
akatua na so no say 100,000 and say 50,000 en kan ye die no ho
nurse say me obi ye adwuma e wo be a corporate world and I say be a medical doctor and as na se bosome so ne etua ne 10,000 Ghana cedis and 20,000 Ghana cedis enye num na yedie wo enye salary mu na yedie wo yedie ne wo he
de wa ye oje ni sika ne o china bi beba doctor na o kana sam se yentua sika yentua ne ka
bosome so ne yentua ne ka woni kapre
obi anu ha o ye ya o block ne kwan na wontimi nya ba bi mfa
okay nese usi kwan wa hobenya wa
bebre enti salary na oje no ye but yet so much part of the structure of the word structure
nese sa wo ye wagen say salary na oje ne bosumi bia no e na wodi wani ato so say de yedie bebrewa e ye wrong mindset okay na emomu no say salary ne ba na bia we invest bia
that's it
okay
wo ha but what me aboabo sika no e de be restaurant
okay yeah
e bia what media o advance bia up tipa track o manage o be a provision shop o bia why you o produce that's where the worth is yes not the first
and
me lawyer and your mom scanty no
okay
because one kwa enye dey
emma and I want to me kasa da bia wo twan amaboso me aso abadi akatua
that's right ye die ne yensia no to obi a wodi ye bia no hu na wo block one
na one ha we see ha no kwa ha a multiple and I'm offering multiple streams of income
that's right
eti ye je bosumi akatua na say we salary worker ti including mo amwo so mpa ha nyina mo nsha no so ye tua wo ka bosumi no a say we di bisie na wo bu eno no na wo di eno koye business
eno na ho na ye di wo
ehon na yedie wo de wo de besie de akwakoye business no ena na emom se bosumi bia wo twen na atua wo ka bosumi atua wo ka no ehon de ye hia
wo so pesa when you break per salary increment
and you ntumi mu
e betima 1 million
still
nim ne ye de ya
so you work to receive a salary na waboaboa no wodi bi asie na e ba me ni nyina because wodi bi sie na da ache wakonya wo de na de wo benya ne bi kura na se de wo e bi a momo e na wo ye anase mobile money transaction anase bi a wo de ye rentals anase bi a wo de afa nkonya bi anase bi a curtains bi ankrofo behind the ade nkonya bi na se wo de aye side business side business ni mu no a sika koba no e ho na wo ye die wo ana wo de tonsuo
that's it
hona wo yie die wo sika na ekọ na eba no
every minute it is all your mobile sa no pay your account no be for scan to mu a wonyansi ye die kwa
Naza anope wo sorry ya no
mobile money esu
obian send sika bia na chese wonyansi ye die kwa so
how much are you paid was no ni abre anything ya ka se nya abrochire na edidi ye
enya abrochire na edidi ye
because abrochire ko ye adwuma na yetwa ka
yeah
but yedi obi a wachichire yedi no or system machine edisi
kadede ebreno what about oradako ebimo epeska no na ebia okọ UK ana okọ Canada na okọ America na okọ France na wakoye adwuma because minimo bia okoye adwuma but na ne buta nso okọ peska na odi aba Ghana e dia bebi adwuma na we carpenter ni oban na obebie ne carpentry shop because na aha no asa adwuma na eba no ntimi enya enti ono to him no otu kwan ko eba omane ho se me ko for 4 years
okay
4 years no so ye no ene obebie a big carpentry shop ene ofa nipa adwuma ene say e run ene so e
me ka just no hia so beko
sa
yeah ehia o say wo sha ase na say more den because the same hours na okoye no ho no
yeah
ko bisa ne say the volume of hours o de koye adwuma gidigidi no
yeah
bisa say na ono akasa kra ne system no
no ye ne sa
summary e bi kra the body na akasa kra start react
because okopre
pressing ho so much the same sika no I can tell you say no or the same input no Ghana ha possibly in Kobetimanya. Wow. The other thing is that so have built different network. Wealth is not just but nipa home.
Yeah.
What's all friend? Nipa be frame I mean go.
Matthias,
I was me here. And found cigar the
yeah,
a relationship. The war build no me just and tiasena no hands and walk on and an etosini. To be me qua because all this kind of coy.
Yeah, all this kind of coy.
At least maybe 20
yeah, I bill $10,000
ticket to coy.
Yeah.
No name ni oya. I can tell you say big one coy or
a coffin. That's
right. And obe build it. Sometimes even we makre o yiremo.
Yeah, what ya
sometimes to me ja 4 years umrano. Na nkura no ma pick bibia
na enye umpe
obu ase obakwa no kura no okoya oba na ware na ide
egu because egu ni pa bibia ware
so that idea that me kwa pick capital maybe just say capital no China for them no ba
omo fashion ma
they are taking a lot of money. It's the same perception say sika obroni krom yes explore the wo
na so rather could dey wo kan say China ni no oba ha woni kapre but o wa adwini bi say sika o Ghana Into bepe biako. Ba Ghana ni nso wa adwene bi se sika wo broni krom.
Into obeko. Wo kura de ntina yeso otimi bae. Bebre ntimi ma. Bebre ntimi ba.
Enti aya adwene no. But aye wo se sika wo krom ha. Enti wo be yire ho a wo benya wo de. But nam se wo utim se sika wo abrofo krom. Enti wo bobo se sika nya. O na de ko.
Me duty ni se me convince o se menko.
Okay.
Me need time no kura.
Yeah, wo be me
pedi o whose figures. Now no branch ba ko. Was me say so me na me ye adwuma bi wo kwa metimi babo sika na da bank me tie one of your videos na mo say sika na da bank na metimi dia 10 bebre
wo betimi 10
also within a space when you over 60 million Ghana cedis
wow
what you gonna here to kwan ko India nkofo na ko share mo mama na credit containers bi wo kura na wo mama na acheso beto ano ye den
wow
the number of workers are wo so the wealth is in that.
Yeah.
Him for na ye adwuma ma wo nyuma se na wa bie. Structures ben wa
bie. Odi na nema ben na bie sisi.
That's right. Kwa bia wonam so e build sa no ma no. E krom ya no de ye ni say because ye mfa nim de no emu odunu nhya ase.
Se no yeah.
And my bias no my abamu
bu ampa
ema ye kasa hweni ha me dwen say ye ntiase na ye nhedam build
ye no
unim confidence unya American visa unim confidence unya because you've been conditioned
say we've been conditioned to say American visa obi okro bragi wo hwehwe American visa no ya ma me 5 years
adano kra visa na ma wona on confidence at home can you imagine the same confidence here?
Yeah, how does that confidence? No, who was said GD no Ghana?
That's right, but because your primary was so would yenye.
And
ya won kwa yenye also for penny no bompa passport so. Man who's na Togo de ka ho. Togo de ka ho. Ense na bia ka ho shebre Togo. Bia nka e
Nigeria he ya.
But yeah, your most school here ama nkofo no mo colonize ye no krom no ye dwen say ye die den.
ewo enti oro bi na ko ebeye den na ya dwini se de wo kan because ne mrem pa wo hia brante anasa babawa a wo ye Ghana ni na se woni ne di nkomo a chese dodo na wa dwini bi wo mutirim se krom hade wontimi nyaye dodo na wa dwini bi se krom hade chese obi e pevisa no de etu kwan ena wo kan ye kwa asore kra mo amo pevisa no momra mo amo de mo document akono momra saa dwini na yenya wo yetirim se wontimi niye ewa ha no na nanso so wrong propaganda atro as we have believed a lie we have been deceived ya dadaye krom ha sika wa ha wo sesa wa dwene na mo ani bere a wo benya wo de
that's right
you don't need to travel ye better ni asesa sa dwene no
bebia na wo ye
okay
tete na o se de ababom ye ne ye wo mrante de bebere a wo so hia wa na ni age na no se mi nam kuma se o se o se mi so ben just I didn't know about boo. Me ma to form crown. I'm just a meeting in your but me shall say meeting and me saying I could dress a meeting my year. What then range over me? And a store was I or patas baby.
Wow,
me just say in some night yet no. In
some night yet no.
And a bema yaku could draw say at the end of so ye. Na sabe. The entire microphone be brave. We say, I be mine because I'm going here. I say, be a Jumamo. Yeah, they also a Jumana from the Dudon and I was here. And it was all program was very easy. Somebody said, Jumanamo. I'm more yet to almost movies in this hour trainings. Even in sorry, Crano, the foundational teachings now, Cofoni Giant, and one year to us. So what I say, yeah, and now Sabi will be a person or no corners or person for Japan. There's no better you did that. And Tian also a child of Fufro, near Yaku draw. So we shall see us from cry. Even sometimes we hear the way I buying a jumamu or mom we hear businesses so near a behavior. You can see if you're paying attention. Yeah. Say indirectly in this encrophody. It's part of the structure we inherit here. Yeah. Because I don't know how many if you know here jumana or course or colloquino. Not if you come then will be a man away. Yeah. And the bash and a chin or provision shop. Them ranty a bear noon. So my bass won't tear BB. Na ye be locking who be a juma na say juma no mo fe kakra bi a unkrofo ya because anya won na omo ye nipa boni o yeah a system now omo inherit here no that system was designed not to create work for us
because that me busa me say e den na obi didwa obi wo shop ketwa obi a wo pamade e bia also ba ye no nipa na afi wo share juma kura ase wo ye tailor ni o tonade wo say wo ntua tax and I said, well, you take it to one chat. It's what to shop in. Now with the credit one, and no, now with the toy better than anybody else. And to just what in the chroma, or send a real who said by a bit my fan. There's an hour would you be a ton of and a human crime because your system no crano, a quay first what did you to and in such a one I can go. And yes, I bet Jimmy Pano.
The same thing I will investigate the brofo, then won't as a grace camera from the same structure. And the ancestral colonial structure and the whole. And this I also for front to my be preached. Also, bossy to botai. Now, me come off about Koye. So for Bia bossy to botai. It's the same structure. And Sabe, I hope so one day some of our leaders will pay attention to these things. Yeah. Says our colonial business structure and regulations no Kromiano. And my ye a bema ye dinner could ya want some. Because ye a near come.
Because unim adia ba so cry ye kas ye disika ho nkomo ye na hwe o man mo ye besan hwe individuals so adia ba so cry nto a Mr. Obinda ko esan edi enya when it comes to Ghana ni e pese wo obi adwuma ana wo ye adwuma no kom kan no aban ministries the agencies ni ade no yetimi shed that target o yetimi shed that ye ni siw so ase ena me ka e ya adwene but say ye broni ebi na ebi a oba be ye omukọ ya ebi okro mu ntua tax and say yetimi the tax exemption ne eso ya ho ne de ya ho no so obi ye bibi wo ha na say yi nipa na yetimi poa no na ye tan de kira say nipa no kura ye one mistake ase ye nyam
met my cultural say the foundation of the so-called tax experts it's the colonial
ajine that the
tax expert but when it is no
when the tete no
broni na tete no broni krom no your man nkrofo sika at a very cheap rate and you would in the same structure be miamia nkrofo awoma omo sika omo nyini da ko bank rate is na nkrofo tua ana omukra na esa be chereche mo say why F why you England you entity almost structure and basically so different from what we have.
Then today who can say abrofo structure and yent me implement where if say yeah structure and say different.
No for TV ko mo muska. Wo hwa na TV how maniska.
Debi
it is what me bomode anya kakra. Me ko hunahuna no. So antimi amane bia me monoform. Wo bre ansa na otimi apagya. But still, once a day atete na wo di ani mu no. Sa basic understanding onya. Woni so into odwen se mra na ya hye into onye dan woni so
because they will can obi wa brochire no onye adwuma kra na otifia yetua ne ka why na o Ghana ha ye so otifia ye man
dey na pese the same
na wo dey adwuma obi wa mono ne no kwaje bosia interest rate in kra bi enu 1% e bia 0.0 then 5% bi kra enu 1% but how obi kwaje bosia e about 35% 20% na sa nipa we wo man hye wo nya hye man
now the same
punishment
at the class school now international school they did the same marking scheme better pass it
debi enye
yes no one pass it brofo no kwa kan kwa won tiase mete story bi za akra no exam se da ho o mo kan brofo no mo explain brofo akra na tiase teacher no ba no kire no o twi o ha na akra start answer
you are na se no what tiase
the same people na person jom taxes so o mo se a nka no man bi brofo obenya no foforo but aboni na otini kro mu no structure and I will use you it was unemployment a ho pa na be pie
okay
because enkrofo na be bia adwuma hyehye nwuma na yafa nipa adwuma wo mo so hyehye because won hyedan tua won krofo no won ti wo masekura nti wo ma mo nyina ya abonefo enso no onye bone what you say it's a system that they left sebeya wo mo no be nti bo say no ma be bro ha who Ghana ni crowd to qualify because of the requirements
aye dey gugu akwam nti who Ghana ni kwa fa wo
enye hwa na ye
enim so obidan ko oman no na say ye hia mpanifo a omo be African consciousness
that's it
ampa we hia omo a more than European consciousness
that's right
omo be nya African conscious omo be hu say ye no ye different
that's it
ye culture different ye system different ye dendan ye ho ye business a me maame anasa me maame say no opamade e wo body ena na ye kofa otan ton bayire e wo fom yes na oton bayire wo body ho na wapamade enso eti ade pam na opam pie to no na ode aso aye na ye de ko ye free school ba to bia na kofa bayire na ode amaye ne enti me say me pe business pa adwadi pa manage ho e da bia me ka say this way say me to bi odo me market ya me ba kra say me first business me ye this way me je ya na me dia ba
American cowboy on this way.
As no me unse na me radio presenter.
That's right.
But me can't news we are. Na makwa je sa chocolate drink no. Na me dia gukem na me dia ba do me market ha. Eti na me wo kan ma be distribute to dia ma omo. Onim se me distribute ma ade chia ma beji me sika.
Yeah.
Ebi wa na obi ama 1 week. Sika na me nya free. Sa chocolate drink na me ton no. Na nya de bosome akatua ye de ma me because ebi wa me de sabre ne kwa na hu timi ye den ye timi to ye na no waje bi 1000 Ghana cedis e wonfa so next time usa akwa 1000 Ghana enti buying and selling mu no sika me nya free mu no na nya bi ne de na bosome ye de ma me ba won say ya dwene na kwa ye te say gise me kotena office na bosome so ye tua me ka na bosome so kra ye tua me ka no ye nsantete ye say ye tua me ka bosome no me purpose ne say Messi sikani bi na me dia ye me de
that's right
eti sikani ba ya na ye di ni hina oh sikani ba na the oye truck driver no the oye taxi driver the oye Uber driver no ana the oton ade wo dwom no adwene be woni tirim say sa adwuma wo ye untimi fa nya ye aba adwuma wo untimi fa nya ye enye fe me plumber na adwuma yi Messi na adwuma me ntimi fa nya ye bata ya atro Messi na adwuma kro no ano wo betimi dia ye na sa plumber na adwuma na betimi dia ye obi a wo kan ne car because me papa no ye driver
wow
o kan wo be car de turn de na nya work and pay sabre no it wasn't work and pay onu ankasa sika na no onu nya no e de sie ya e de to 207
wow
enti me kan me papa no ta de metena front pa enti nya work and pay no de ye wo adwuma na no wo ye because wono wanya mansam wono nsa enti sika na ye de manua de ode be hye wo ba ho ban no de bi asie eche hu ye no na odi nipa krona ne kai ne de akoma na wato ne de
that's right
but it wasn't work and pay but enne ye nche nkrofo sa de nti de obenya bia na wadi ni nyina taxi driver day no so a se bia enne wonya mfaso 50 cedis a 50 cities no who say mame fa mu half and 20 cities in to because at the end of the day and then the 20 cities to her we can inquiry and me could be 120 Ghana cedis. 120 Ghana cedis multiplied by 4. So they say one of them almost 500 Ghana cedis. Now who be with the no and now say who baby I would be question interest free more but and no na chesa who be your life by interest it is kind of 50 cities the idea 20 cities the idea 10 cities the idea
the party be say nisika be say empire bo and I say lotto
can obi who see nipa be break say
empire bo be say nisika sem
nipa be break empire bo na the
lotto bim so twa aviator so and is a one number aviator nam lotto wo ne
is how mo betting
education say won tisika say what do you say sika lack no it's a structure those are come papa say he had a structure me adwuma sika ne ba me nsɛ no wo dey say wo ye taxi driver uni obi a wo ye trotro mate uni obi a wo so dey wonya kakra do kwa hye wo edu beda bobra
untimi
oni no wi so there be it is a
kakra ba won sema na de no wi ana wo enumre bia won mo nsa enumre bia wo to prekonam ne ayi efre
sika no
wo sika no
nti obi a wo hye sika ne ba ne se bia do be do aye ontimi nyeye ndu mo nse wo so ogitum se sika no se besesa wa ankasa na besesa sika sem so you another law is the fact that you are taking responsibility of your own finances. You don't leave it.
Amra etoso biem say who take responsibility.
Full responsibility.
U sika ye die gina wo awo so.
Men fan shenya mensa. And men fan shega na ban sa teni e me se men fan shenya mensa. Because sika ro na decided the other koye.
O se na we o sika ye die gina wo so. Men fan shenya mensa.
Odware nyame na dware.
There be one odware.
O say ye ka bibia one of the things am yen call sika sem nye ye no. They are not responsible for anything. Is it that the government or God?
Auntie ni odi ni sikasem ye dia koma nyame. En wasa ni sikasem ye dia koma oman no.
Say ya broni sa oduru America ni sikasem be dey.
Ebe ye but onu anim se obetimi aye
bibi. Onu na wo so oje ne ho.
Onu na se so oje ne ho.
Your financial responsibility is in your hands.
Papa so oje ne ho be dey.
Financial freedom is in your hands. You are responsible.
Wo na se wo jitum se wo ye responsible.
Yeah, this is what pomuden.
Yeah, what
you drink, what you eat.
Yeah, one kasa wasa there.
And this our system they shut it down. Don't blame anybody. What's your lifestyle? It's the same with money.
Sikaba un somebody now there.
Now there. Tijutumuntem. So for it is a law. So why nyantum ba ko so the pension akoshe ayi or ko pension aban be hwe no.
Odi ni ye dia akoshe pension mu.
This is the years you be hwe no.
Sana na dwene ye no.
2D45 was started so plan it. Men fan kwasha wo ma men fan kwasha aban. And only a backup.
All right.
It's not the main formula. So, and to me, you say, Branty, I do say, my brother boy, me and I'm able, Namsika Semno, me and I'm Mrs. Sano. And not just what the BBC when so.
All right.
If I say, what the 20 years, I was a mid 30, 40, I said, I was a bamisem, and I said, I was a minya. So, we could already 50. Wait, Mamma, on the next 3, 4, 5 years. A be a dear Kenyano, the chairman was seno, what to 2 second basabasa, but the Akaka Kutano. Catch us the next 5, 10 years.
Yeah.
I will restructure.
Nessa, the what can I say? I'm found when say be a one mismanage you sika for a long time. Sabre and found baby. Fast show to say, me baba dani me ho. Me be sisa. Kakraba me nsem me be yen hyehyɛ for from. I bet me aboa me.
Sika na wo ko.
Okay.
Sika buta sika tambia ekuta obi ano. Dodo no ana wo ko ye bibi.
Okay.
Enti bisa ho se de na metimi de sika yi. Obu avance o kyera de car wo de kor wo kwa wo pake car no
ya on to biem
ne pay 5,000 and so no car near 150,000 wiki no sooner as buying to ya na ho kyere no
yeah
financially you are not being intelligent because o capital na
o capital na wo car ni mu no
car no so nko ba bia ma o say wo de ye uba kra de ya nke be fa ne sa
yeah
enti ba bia wo de significant sika ko hye bia no must bring you money.
Baby, I would sika kesi akwakoshe bia no. Ese di sika brew. It is a car no mfa sika brew.
Na se so wo try akatua.
Wo try akatua.
Formula nenye.
Formula nenye.
No. Formula nenye. Well the okoto asase ato amasama be 10 years ni 50,000 show us na only am everyone say. Langard for and ye do court.
Asase no so da
wo try akatua. Na asase da ho. Me enka be kwa kopade foforo ama sai sika ne diskaba
nese nka wo anka wo beton asase na diska na dia koye kopim se sika be bank kakra da che wo ton
asase no na usi
una usi
ye nyanto ho
ane
nti wo se wo hia for formula
Yo.
To be the formula de Kutani here for
you were here for formula. And you were sick for formula.
Here need to as I said, I go I feel I got 10 blocks a guso.
And you're here for formula.
Then your mias is what me to us.
And you're here for formula. Now, just as you
lock your capital.
One local capital, no?
The same Sikan and Obi Tonku. Obi the mobile money, Obi the 2 boho no chrome.
Wow.
Busumi be on your 5,000. Oh, dear no. One looking will come.
One look no
mobile phone. But Cocras are here to tell you do where the adversary. Or could Dubai the other. So you have to give yourself target. If you are under 1,000 income.
A beer me fast was salary and 2,000 as I was from
and also 10,000.
10,000, yeah.
Also maybe 100,000 a month.
Okay.
Even based on that, how much are you able to save?
Say now wait me
10,000 a month. Obi to me save 100,000. Obi to me save 10,000. How much are you able to save? And how much are you able to invest? Said that we investment also returning maybe 1,000, 10,000 will be an investment passively about 10,000 every month. When you hear it.
Onye hiani
oyo de fo
ade na wo ye na
on sorry nkoma busumi bia wo 10,000 won hia 50,000 won hia 100,000 won hia that's it
oyo de fo
wa solve formula no
wa solve formula
so consider omre o toka omre on the school fees omre on na nwunwi sika ho biem
ne se enya advisable say ehia for formula no eye de okota asase no a ehia for formula no eye de okota asase no a oni di odi besie adwuma no o twense boso me beso na bia wanya 500 wo se o me fa nko ye kakra batin kasa sika na o ka me fa sa asate no cross wo to no 20,000 enka o invest 20,000 wo adwuma bi mu adwuma no de sika bebre ne kakra ansa no akosidan na waboabo eno ano a de bi akosidan no na emom no wakota asase no basika bie ni ho a
won se
wodi be firi akwakoye
dan na okosi no sika na wonya no mfimfini ne ya fidie na yam sika no so oni ma fidie bia yam sika o sika sam ntoye da
kabiem se woni ya fidie yam sika
o sika sam ntoye
se wo kase ayi woni ya fidie ayi yam sika wo pa chese
e chese bibia o sika no komo a
na saba
eye adwuma sika na koye no ba mo than the odi koshem.
Oh, that's a machine. It's a machine.
That's an asset. That's an investment.
Okay.
To bu advance or nika bear 5. Or branch back or nika bear 10. No, a teacher. Also, Miss Obey every month to be 50,000 free. I don't know what to do with it.
Oh, nika
makuma 10.
Makuma 10.
And it to be our odia now.
A dear now.
It's in the children and you.
No, Sika.
The children he has our bachelor Magana and Korako school.
No, Sika, free move banana. Kan de katrotro my na mom no wonya a day sika na a month sika na wo de ye day e hono na ye ka no
afidie no ya musika de wi ansa na okotoka ansa na koye wedding anniversary ansa na wosidan sare wo so ye
sana sese wo
ye yes ata bia ro bo se na
ho kire wo asase ne da ho wo wontimi nsi wo so da bia na ho kire wo
and obia betuma ye bibi
obia betumi ye bibi
everybody
because they wo kan ni kan sama wo kan. Can you imagine ayi omo asese kura fufuo omo koye sa fufuo machine ya
obi a fufuo machine ba ko
ayi for grinding machine ayi area meti obi omo pe fufuo no won kwa na o masa line sa eti woman 5 cities no odi o ba 5 cities say machine kro no a
say every day opa bi sasa nipa no
de wonya na day
wonya bo so me say na wonya de asema ye gan akwara akọ school no wonte we yase
onye
endu bo se tambia oni sika sam ye
maami bia wo ton fruit wo mi area meduro ho na metokwaduru ne anka ne ade meduro na mo say maami akoso we na medi ahwe nkwada afọ ni nyina o
what
baako yellow
where
baako nso wo nursing baako nso wo invest ne mafo o say fruit na wo ton sa fruit ne eduru ho a na wato okeka bo ma 50 cedis we ukọ we eduru ho na wato 20 cedis we eduru ho na no an wa ye but ya kan say ukọ mu ho no enka kotonton fruit anka beka sa wonton
o da hwene ma
but eye bibia
to de opa say akwara de be 20 years no more ka kwara no let's say 200,000
aya en wo de ahye san kwada afọ ni na by wo beka sa wo ye graduate wo kuta degree etu ntimi koton fruit eso fruit no bia du kona mu ha wo beto
value bia create society no bia ye nchew no betim bia die
ade bia wo be ya patcho repeat ho ni bi
value bia bibia wo be ya nipa hia ye nchew nipa de sika ba so what is sika say na otimi tutu sika say bia no I don't know
adeɛ bi a wobɛyɛ a entia mmra a yɛnche wo no a wobɛnya sika afiri mu no ɛyɛ ade papa
ɛnyɛ adwuma bɔne so
ɛnyɛ adwuma bɔne
kwa abrojire no adwuma mo yɛ bebre nka wontimi nyɛ ne ha so mo yɛ
wɔ hɔ
nti wo ha mema wani
ɛma wani mu enwuma bi
dabi
ɛnmi de ko ton nsuo sɛn
ton
nsuo so da bi ayɛ tɔ
saa abrante ba kwa wie school teacher me baba kwa school Kumasi na me gina hɔ na mami akra hyɛ da chisa na ɔbaaye I say when you obey na say ane I say me baba ko o teacher no hwe saa na me no ka say akoto pragia so ko fa PK no wholesale amancrofo
okay
and within a year no timia save enough over 40,000 akoto ka
wow
sak ayi no bi ayi no pragia no bi no aka sa kra frɛ me o say na me say sika amadwen ko so me boska no ba na metimia to we and no or frɛ me no adena the 3 days I was wanya boska wanya ni din.
Wow.
So this is the formula right there.
What they are told?
No. What his can see?
Yeah.
They
are way.
5. I don't know.
And Orobi da kunim tie for me ka sa here Sompa 106.5 FM Accra Sompa Rhapsody na wutie ne ye disika ho nkomo enti me ne owura kwabena obinda kuma me nua be ma ene wo hayi wo ye engineer o ye entrepreneur o ye obi a o ye author wa church nguma bebre na de enti a wo hi ko se wo hwemu a ye kuro mu hanade ha ye ne ye se sika ne ba ne pane nsemu a ekwan ye fa so save no yenim ena kwan ye fa so invest no so yenim me fa no se nipa no bosome so na se de wo kan ye ma ne 1,000 Ghana cedis 1,000 no chese 1,000 ni kura medru na ne ho kire no 1,000 ni medru na wa bobosia dada wa bobosia efi se 1,000 no
Azenemu. Ye kan de nani abre.
Ye kan de nani abre wo pesika.
Wo pesika, wo peseni.
Ono de na ye kanya wo a wo pese wo kondo bibia wo todi.
Sa ena obi so ade obeka bia oyi anu.
Enya wo na ye hiamo. Ye pomo o mani abre.
Sister bi wo say asema make yi uduru ana se mfa ho twem.
Enya wo mu a.
Because also oni bre se obetutu sikasem yi.
Ese woni bre se obetutu sikasem yi.
Ba kon osesa cement ayi. Omuyi cement na bag no wasesa no akoton
omuyi cement no a
wasesa
ayi ne bag no wasesa no akoton but ya na nkrofo to etubu
ba ko so boxes no na akoton mo oluma bi osesa sa boxes na akoton e dey atop ayi abobo ya ibi adaba kwa wona me kasa na wo se woni kura na wo be 70,000 Roger or be 70 years o abrante wo 25 years o se wo 1,000 and so maybe and so yet ase na wo pon adwuma de na ye
upon adwumadi na we
are you going to give excuse going to solve your problems
because that was 1,000 and so etidi na we afa
that's your choice
enu gira wo so ensonti but edi na wo ye de afa
adwuma man na abre katua so no
enye ne sese hia ese wo twi solution
adwuma is platform at special media houses platform you meet a lot of people that's not where to make money that is where to build network
relationships
and you no there na o ye extra is a you say be akwasi ada na opon sorry na o say okoya de foforo bi kwa bonso boys o moyi obi atam bi obi kwa 100 sa boys no beka so mo niska
baby e horo kwa de bi kwa de na dwunu mu champa onko no afiri ho
bosome wo
ya onko enu mre bi no onko no afiri ho wo kwa another level
there is only the ability to protect
kete na ba wonsem no na se sa sika na wo mu no na se de esese wo buska enketo no ese wo bu ba se wo mu dia ene e
be na 1,000 isa enti de wo wasem no but e hia for adwen I tell you so obi otisika ase bia no
wo mu sika wo nsa obi otisika ase no won kasa sika bi sa won kasa 1 cedi esua won kasa 2 cedi esua
sika fo omo gro ya be na omo to nya 1 cedi 1 cedi 2 cedi 2 cedi
ene omo to
I don't mangazo mo nya sika nti 1 cedi omo mpe so 1 cedi na be 1 million and is a ubu 1 million I didn't tell 1 cedi de onya dey who no obi na kara so don't give small money
a chance
that's right and the choice is yours so broni wa ukra na wo so ton kan wa so ton
because makai abrantie bi a na yenina ye wie school no a obi a pese wo finding the fit no de me hu ye ne se onya adwuma bi wo ba bi na opontem enumre oboabo sika na no ana de to taxi enti enumre no opon adwuma be 3 obi ana de aye adwuma kakra eti by 9 no akwakoda enne me ka kire oba bi e wadura
obeko
akodada
ane adwen
wakodada
ane enti de odada ma wo bo game no
I bo game
ane wo de yame nante Will be an any abribiano. What's a sunny bra?
And then one may who say, ye kromuha, sikawaha.
Yes, madam.
And then one may who say, ye problem no any sikanemum eya jenny.
Yeah.
And then one may who say, Nipa bebrena jine se sikani kromu hentino, womu muska. And then one may who say, Nipa bebre, womo juma womo yeno, womo jin se a jumano, sikano, a frimubana, and yashi, etienti me womu ni. One may who say, a jume bia woya wahana, so long as say, a ye legitimate no, say jumano, a ye capable, sebem wadi. We are plumber, we bet me a DA or plumber the Jumanim. We are Messinia, we bet me a DA or Messin the Jumanim. We are truck driver, taxi driver, Uber driver, we bet me a DA. Name once someone Junior and who is sad dear. Uber poor Jumanim mutia, umu a Jumano. And one some young says, Kabi a baba won't send me, and a man can say, wait, a Yesika Ketua, Busansicano, 1 city Yesika, 2 city Yesika. And at the atosu be one who says, we are Juma baby, no, I catch you any sir, and you're complaining, and you're nagging. The assessor we and say, baby, I may hear Juma and Magiatum, Yamame 1,000 and so me, Yamame 2,000 and so me. It may not structure in the say, at the end of May, a Juma for Ben and a pedia come home. At the end of May, Bemma may more. Said a bay as a 2,000 crowns from me, Memu Nemum, one yahu share. Ba wo so da ho na wo bo game wo so na di nkomo wo dey complaining and your salary nya na dey na why dey afa ho
ba ko so di sofo o your assistant won pay no wa ba wanya
adwuma no ye be ba be bon pay no so aka
wa ko fo obi ba betra ho se wo di sofo wonya adwuma
okay enu so ye issue
ma 500
enu so ye issue
woni be bra ma wore na gu
enu so ye issue
wo kwa nya kakra no nyame kra me nyasem
wo ye so ayi assistant pastor
and ye was a group ni sese pa mo do so
ampa wakofo bi ba kwa ware no
wo dem pa bo na sese na sikasem wa anya collection wo bo wo the collection ni ma ho akọ ma ho akoye ade foforo ka
enti da wo kan se wo de bompa ne nemum ye adwuma no o de oni aka ni bi enu read James chapter 1 verse 5 or say if anybody lacks wisdom,
yes,
let him ask. But we ask in prayer. It be no ya just a bonnet about
5 years away.
Anyone
no 5 years.
Anyone no
papa.
Because oh boy, so we receive wisdom from above. Now what the bay to
make so.
And they say
Quadro in the name of prayer. Because Sikadan Koye, or my school fees, a fro. The Tempia once I feel afraid. Sorry, penny be Tempia or Biadoka. It's wrong.
What for be Babette? I was me do so when you're
Hannah could be afraid. Oh, brother, come out with my Manyamanko, come I send him away. I'm saying, and I was says, Scott. So you are in a love offering. I'm saying, I mean, catch them. Go and get something to do.
Go baby beer.
And then the best is some sick. What I say? Nipa be brave or how tips Sikano the NT and Koyeno. 2 man away, no. Many times a quadro count.
A quadro
account.
A can a human away. As a one ten
when you're human and in But listen, so you're a single man, I different. No,
yeah,
but I took off 4 biba.
A better ma. Who was Sudia? Who was Sudia? To me, me one by my declare me one confirm to make as you. Matthias, I could 10 years in the time you're by. And this I, on your man so quadro. I declare and declare. Fine. I would take. As is one judgment.
In the name of God.
There's a bridge in the name of God and the Ayaquadus.
We have that here.
Yeah, Matthias.
We have that.
I get
your whole session of these guys who are doing nothing. No one is so addressing. No one. What do I say? The whole year and Sako Caffeine. From Sako Caffeine be.
Yeah, and now a bassa cross away your softness away a Juma Cranoa. A bassa and ma when your bed the massa for no. So so don't yamina we then you go and do your work. It's in your fena, ube manipulate ebe dada womo say woman fat walk for be baba. We see would this suffer, what by any suffer mammy. What wouldn't you Juma? One sorry and call it as for Juma is no, and you be out there Moko asori once a week. Me fan say Wednesday prayer meeting. And I'm also Sunday. I'm part of my but then the day now you're fine. You need to study, but you need to.
The collection in my hoa. Some make a children. And yes, I.
That's a collection of Grania. That's a collection.
People say But you don't have a say. Your salary 500,000. You have 3 children. You are creating complication.
That's right.
Time be once or rent now. So as I make a me back. But I know I said when you say
so the copy BBA.
So why you graduate? What's this of? How many years in it? No. And sometimes it's sad.
Yeah,
laziness here then. Account.
And
or Jane said you may be Bruno so.
By repeating, said Juman be pro. Be amro so. Juma be able to me. So long as this cabin yes, legitimate money. Yeah.
At least also to back home.
Yeah, because I need to can be bro. It's a Juma be no so.
Oh, about Nikura or Bros Gamuda. Was I feel because you are fool. When my dear Chia,
Capramba,
I shall be boss house still in Tenny. Sister Baco was here for tea. Oh, sorry, I was for what Jenny, you my first cabra. It's many times. Once we drew the middle, I mean, around 40, 35. Now, as our arena started to come on here, is because Casamania.
Sikasamning Koye.
Hope here.
What was she Nimua and Koye? Because it in a walk, the 2 years say, we seek a shabre. We seek a da chikutao. Enti sorry. Suakwa befa so nyeska.
Yeah.
Neska no so ba wonsem wo suakwa befa so atoto ne yie. Na edi bebre abrew. Memfa wo sika hyebre nkoma nyame.
David.
Enna memfa nkoma aban.
No.
Why take your destiny into your own hands? Adwuma bia wo ye bia fa hye wo tim se adwuma no eye adwuma papa. So long as I enye ekwanbone so no de. Na adwuma no betimi de ye di abrew. Say ye 1 cedi na de ma wo, ye 2 cedis na de ma wo. Wo toto ne yi a ebaba be ye 10 cedis. Wo toto 10 cedis ne yi a ebaba be ye 50 cedis. Dan chembe do beba na wo ba be kire ye kwan be fa so atoto no.
Okay.
Because e honim de no. Enso lake pa bebre na wo hu a aba ampapo so me so ye no wanya ne 5,000. What the 2,000 at all, and all the 1,000 at all. And parfini no, what Timia can't be more 10,000 be. But on who dear one fan yet.
Wow.
Yes, a bimu dietisa, eh, manyas can be the whole. Media quaco to bank. But me person me dear be by me nim dear me ya. Oh, it is some money machine and I will come.
That's right.
Some machine, no, and done a multiply sicano.
Yeah.
As said that you will bet share some money machine, no.
Yes, madam.
Now it me boy is show you them anyone, eh, you. So Sompa Rhapsody dear. So long many wa just say many wa because we nim dear no enye sika mu nko business mu so ankasa wo nim dear wom eba adansie kwan fa so si dan eno so wo nim dear wom enna say wo enwoma suamu wo nim dear wom abrabom wo nim dear wom just say we are all round before the trinity efie nyansa wom book nyansa wom enna huhumu nyansa nso wom enye huhumu
opesa de kwashe ho no problem at all
etoro bi da komema enne wasam we twato a wo de be ma na mahwese mema tiefo abamu kakra ma mefa number no entudwa enno ano na telecommunication na da so na network no haya adwene but ene ye pese ye hwese ebetimi ayeyia amayen na eba sika ene mekase be di sika wonkomo na ye di no baby wo ha wonti ase wagena ye oprekese a na wabusa menua bema owura kwabena obinda ko ewo ha 0260196064 and 0260196065 0260196064 and 0260196065 and Sompa Rhapsody sika ene ebedi hu nkomo memfa wemse obi aba homa no so memfa na memra briefly hello
Auntie Shira.
Yes.
Auntie Shira machi.
Meji uso menua bema be na mehia ni.
Yo, me pacho unua bema sa akode na kafe. Me kase free tema community 11.
Okay, sa akode tema community 11 ya mo akwaba na esa tema community 11 Sompa. Ya kase Sompa Rhapsody ya wisi nimdie nko a. Sompa Rhapsody.
Nimdie nko a.
Aha. We die ene mene owura kwabena obinda akusika sam no wo asem bisa bia bebusa.
Me say Yami Shira no. Me say ade amoka awosi ku agume. Awosi agume. No na dwumu go. Na dwumu ni baby o ni baby a oye programmer. Nika baby ameko ne program.
Obey process na make say Rhapsody na mabona transfer wa ho. Eti wo ye program bi a meka kire no makobi no makotie bi.
Shira nke ye pa because Chese nyama wonu nyina no yenim yenya sika ni ai ni basa yenya sika bien busika miswa na mi busika pa na mi yeshumeka.
Oh, now you usa now yeshumeka.
Na mi yeshumeka di bien store.
Wow.
Ni bien store ni wie ya no misa eye ya na mi gusu yeshumeka no. Ni ye ya di taxi.
We shoemaker at the beer store and the tour taxi.
At the tour taxi.
Wow.
And me taxi na me can say any mammy business. And I'm starting say me enter into washing machine business.
Okay.
And I'm enter into washing machine business. They say you machine business. Auntie Akosua, starting washing machine business no mun say no mi musika.
Muska.
Mi musika.
Oh,
kano keto. Keto na first na mi bu na me tena wo no e me ye kese no. Se keto no.
Mubiem
na ma to atwem.
Wow.
Mi mubiem.
Enkachi.
Enti ama ni die ya modi abai. Na bank for loan. Madam for be ko di loan or say 40,000 or bank man 34,000. 34,000 now bank the man no. Unim a month dia otia 4,999 cedis for 1 year. Omo man 37,000 no anti Nhira bisa 4,999.
Inkitamude ni nyina ya de bro why? Me das pa obi aba homa no so hello. Yes, me nua be ma be na mehia ni.
Nana sege.
Yo nana. Nana se na de ye be di sika ho nkomo ma mintie o.
Okay. Leje de na so. What do you pa nana se be na me na so am so kuma so no.
Yo.
Na. I'm say mama ya Nhira pa ishinadie.
Yede yame asa.
Na de be kan se na me ko ishinadie.
Yede yame asa.
Na de be kan se na me ko ishinadie.
Amen.
Amen. Because and then no experience the system handicap.
Yeah. No crepa.
Na yina so yet me
Mate medasipa ye dase na wo kan mabunu no Bible si nimdi a meman ni nti wo yira mabunu na yira empanifo kura bebre ayira eti ye de nimdi na ba hele.
Good morning.
Good morning. Me pacho mini abe na mehia ni.
Pacho Akosua Azuba.
Ayo Akosua. Yes.
Can impossible why?
No crap.
And you put na me home make. I get there. The right them for you. The go to open to you know the more than me. I was going to have to open it to what to what open the country. My other right talk about my son is so and then who is Ranameraho. That will make you put up anything. Now, what I put up, that's what I have done. It's not
oh, Akosua facha me na ene ye line no ye bana nko ye se me yi na mehwe de wa ba se mu ya hello. Okay, me pacho me nua be na mehia ni.
Acha fami
Yo, Joel, say watie ya no pe ma mintie wadwenkyere.
Ya da so pa mama we de nimdia ne de bia o che me kai bia wo okay abrabo pa. Enya so o de ne ba bi ma.
Ai, you Robin da ko.
Yeah. It's all me chia only me Johnny. Yeah, they didn't chia.
Ai, what did it mean pa?
I am close to maybe and what dance na me this say and many da what can no follow no bend up for Facebook video or honor.
Yes, oh we are na kanina.
Aha, it is I want you need they didn't cheat. If they go cash to listen and new form out of the it. Ninja when I see here no pebia.
No crap. No crap.
We media no so. That's why me have to see customer say.
Matias.
I want to basabasa any animal to coco
to a much no be masono. I so that it is something. Etiare Juma Fire, Ubajo,
Mate, Joe, yeah, that's me for the chat cry, me breno ason. Hello.
Hello, I'm Akosua.
Yes, mini abema ben mesiani.
Good morning, Uniana, and Sapman.
Yo, but your mammy, when I chat to another breno.
The rest is there. Papa will say, and all the one that other person will 3 years level.
Yeah.
And so one day, station train are done in now almost that's because the favorite sound somehow okay. Men can some of the memoir and phantom the paragraph 5 and different sides. The new advent are done from almost 7 years now. But we do at that time and we did steady a year and then I so move back from now.
Yeah.
Maybe one business saying it's at that time no.
One first can be and see one fine BB and cowbay there Sabria Yaria Bowie.
Yes.
All right.
And see, Yami on Shirano.
On Shirano.
More than the mobile stations, maybe every papa will move up back. No, maybe 3 or 4 down. I go now, one more time, go with down as
oh, when I said, and would you tear some somebody who yet said, I remember when him dear from Anopa, Ecosia, why? Yamisha also made us a pa, Mr. Mo Frebat or Freno, mean to me Fabia Mibreno, I a bit, and he, Oben be Dacon, and then why in Shrama a pane, Nimdia would my point by point. Yabay Yajin Woodman, I didn't Jumano, and say it will take time. But the more I will show, no sooner will my your consciousness, no, your bedgy and woody. Near Behu and who see a bit me a year. Nay, mu a juma be any mutia. There were told Kube or Quano Hono. And Ka would the Kubeni be Bessiu Quano. You'll be amazed, Bosum and Susika Ubinia. Because would Robbie and out to Kuba. Kuba over ton of 5 cities, 2 cities, 3 cities. Or be a drano at Jabako, or be a drano at Jabako, or be a drano. Just say, be bill or who bet me a year. But who moo, dear or ton a Bruno. Who mu the auton docono, the waton kubenu muno, if I won't use but so long as a disika beba. For degree in the 2 baby or a common dew. For degree no, a 2 baby in a common dew. Na koya dear no, for degree no, na me per office, open, what about tie so a common dew? What's a suit but a common dew? Enti jaka cabin samano jame convocation, metea, Tina said, for destiny showing some. Sika kakra na eba no bu sika no na sika no mbu enti sika won komo no de afa ni ahyanse e medi nim di fo no beba pa obi obi da ko de ma bona tenase wa pen ne down e wo Sompa akra mo beta ate den kafi se ne nim de no enye sika mu nko a abrabo mu nim de e wo pese wo si dan a e se wono se wo ye architect madine na aka ho engineer e dan sie wa bin wom o ye state developer wo si dan tie san nim die na mo hu se wo hia sika bumansa na wasi dan na mom eye nyansa eye systems on ti san systems na be ma na kire yen etukwaso atie Sompa 106.5 FM akro Robin da ko wasem etwato a wo de ba me na me tam na
ya da wase
na mi mom na se me da wase o eze me na me da wase fi se wo fi Kumasi ton enra obi a wo ye program o Kumasi mi nti na di me ka be pie Sompa akra ha I really appreciate pa
da wase
ka bi che Ghana for mutie wa no ko omo so ma yin hira pa ba ka bi kire
e sika ne sua
okay
and they said so wow you go sorry morning devotion yes sika no so morning devotion na sa pe bi sua every day
okay na say yemfa ncheche ye man mpo ofie
every day constant
all right
pem so be free
assassin
you scatter bia mboa
yeah you scatter bia
sa nim dia no so open bia
wow
enti utia agro no kakra we be so book bia na we dey na
kan
bibia
se program
be go ufun so
na wutie
constantly
say kra we Facebook live you call Facebook live Sompa we betimi akọ all the time as akotie
yeah ma osika seminar to toye na I can tell you say obi an sika seminar to toye bia no high we asese
debi
sorry I would say again different
yeah
peace is different
yeah
prosperity is peace
yeah yedie sikamu yedie
yeah it is a sebe botomunya ashumje no ya
na wesa wo yiri kra kasa ho na no ye wo kunu kasa because sika ni ho
sa ohia ya tambo no omomo
na wo say mrebi na me kasa wo hia ntina wo babo plate na wo bu na ega plate onko no obi bu ne ba adan a wo babo plate obi say ne ba fa na 1 city eti wo channel sa ba ko afiri oh yes afa na 1 city into a channel sa hia nanka hiawa enka 1 cedi ka obaba fa 1 cedi ama de sika wa chanensa adan ne ba fa ne 1 cedi aye hia na wo kire no eti se o yehu eti sika semu nimde ne yesemu muntie o because entina da bia na wo bu ofu no da bia wo bi a wanya sika sen wana ne ho ye wahi obi kure siesie ne ho yi ana asa wo tan no because wo nibi enti enye se nipa no nko chen wo but nipa no wo sika mu nimde chen enuntia ena ehia se ye be wo wasi biposo ye wo to amena mu mpo na sa wo toto ne ma yie wonya systems a wo beba begina bepo no so bi
enti we are brand here 20 years
yes
eno ma ye kan usua na onya botra
oh yes
woni 40
na wo abra boss sa
ma me ba kwa na okasa na wonte no
yeah
se ne bra ba kwa abrochire
yeah
no de di no ma bi bae
okay
ono so tea normal way nyagro
yeah
so it's the same information ekuta na advantage
yeah
and it's not necessarily say we call baby fufu na some I can TikTok
me ba choka ayi o Facebook page o TikTok o Instagram YouTube ka page ni kire na
obinda ko YouTube TikTok
say ya na chidi e wo ho na ni na why na bro
there between go be 70%
chini is 70% okay
bro nusa o mo ka bro no maso den
they kuta me a money loss
yes
financial success principles so obi pe book bi say sika ho mra because na wa bebi ani kakra sika ho mra hyase e free adwenem eti wasesan adwene
yes madam
eti so obi pe book we no wakenkan na aboa no a obey ne dey
me number o fra e bi so mo ya wa ya
ya chimota mo he
chimota mo ko so pe MV
okay
and
ebi ho ba fa number to dwa
okay
mesra mo mama ha ne bebre o mesra mo we a married man or a businessman or ye adwuma o free ha okoto na adwuma so
me prophet
onye prophet bacho et wo de wo pese wo tie bia gu ni page ho ko obenda ko ko Facebook TikTok YouTube ubenya ne ko tie dansa obe ha ne bebre na mom e very e bia ne book ni bi na wo pe anase bi sorry mo be se mo invite na wo ba no mo be kasa e fa sika ho because aware bebre agu enam sika sem ntia eye ne number di mpacho fa tudwa mami
antegosia 02 no ya metu
okay fa tudwa
024
okay
66 31 874
mesa mususu hanu mususu hanu
024 66 31 874
okay mpacho mate robin akumpacho yedase
yes madam
say meton safre wo baaye wa mamani age anopai pa menim say next week menya about at least week bia menya one anka mepe wo
mate
so wo akra nko ade at least say me pe day ba koma wa menim say e bia ta obenda ko time na me ne won transe na ye monko monti ye because nim de na ye hiamo and say money loss ya anka nko akire ya nhyase mpokura
anyway why are there books like 14 yeah and we still writing
wow financial freedom ni say that ye beka ho ye bedi ho nkomo na systems ahodo no yesu ha nti meda say wona Sompa Accra e betwetwe nkomo ye chia oyire so o wife your friend say Marie a beautiful woman mechia Marie ni nkoda ni na ma wo say
o me nsa
ma budi bi beka ho na
o my scar sorry o no was covered
let me discover dia
ensa
bibia be fa yo
amanya panyi wana kwa na mo fa bi kana mzana wo mo aye wo mo no se na tia ye o be ka Makubia so
Makubia okwa ambasa mechia no na mechia kwada ni nyina eti batwo nyame nhira ho ye danse bebre send na so ba ya woni ye ebetwetwe enkomo wo Sompa Rhapsody atiefo ene ye ne yenua kwabena obinda ko oye entrepreneur oye engineer oye author oye businessman ankasa ene ne twetwe enkomo ba chama ne ntwe me mama ne nwane nyame mama ne mpacho twe me 1 minute me wie enti Sompa Rhapsody nim de ne ye de baaye ye pese enuhu firi ho ene ye betche ko abefa so wo be buska sesa wadwene fa sika ho na sesa wadwene fa adwuma na wo ye ne ho susubu adwuma ni mutia e se adwuma na de sika na bre wo no wo ye nyame firi ho adwuma ne tosom yenu adwuma bi e de sika bre wo no wo ye nyankopon firi ho adwuma ne tosom yenu etibe ntoto na se obi shop na wo dan no na bosom so wo tua wo ka no memma adwuma ne ngu ewiye mu sika ma ne ngu obi ka na wuchie no mensai no anya bia emma wo sika ta aduane di na sika no nso ba kwa befa so atoto no tie Sompa 106.5 FM Accra me sorry so nyame yadom ochina Easter Friday nanso ye betena se bomodi ya so betie Sompa Rhapsody ababaji abrabo mu nimde ye frame die nyame ye hira na Akosua ko obojo betimi aframe Akosua Nhira me producer Jeremiah Simpson Bitmice Tony Bitmice and Jill Forsen afia and social media no what's na chehwehwe ni nyina ma me sorry swini at the second service dwumade no etwa so kacha dofoni ebusuafo nyina sa Sompa ya bo ya ba na ya ba no nso de na ye de niema papampa ene beba se obi a nyina ye ka se Sompa na ye nyina ye tie eti ye pese ye da masifise sabrede de obi a ka ne se
ye nyina ye tie Sompa
aha de obi a ka ne se
ye nyina ye tie Sompa
de obi a ka ne se
ye nyina ye tie Sompa
efi se
de waguo no eno na wutwa Sompa
obi a nim se
de waguo no eno na wutwa Sompa
enti de wuguo no eno na wutwa nti ye gina oje nyumi su ne ye de agya okwan na ye ka mo se ye de so second service dwumade ne ba premoto a ye de premto brekase bo no ebeba ye wie ya ne ye de Sompa delight with Abuna Ruthie na wono nso so enne oni